Hi, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I help people to make websites without any tech knowledge or code. No, not writing any code. So that's my goal. And today is my third YouTube Live. And this is the third video of WordPress Basics series. And today I'm going to talk about WordPress widgets. Yes, widgets. I don't like this word, it's hard to say. But this is the core, I think, concept. One of the core concepts of WordPress, if you want to use WordPress. And it's actually not the best time to look into it. The reason is WordPress has changed how it works. And there are some conflicts in this legacy version of widgets and this new version of widgets. But yeah, either way, I'll cover both. And yeah, originally, I think I was going to talk about something else today, but I think last YouTube Live, it got a little too long, so I wanted to make it more, small and some like a bite-sized contents. All right, so I guess I should just jump into the actual widgets here. Yep. And yeah, by the way, I know I always forget to say, but I put out contents, at least this YouTube Live, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I think I'll keep doing it for a while. And if you have any questions during the YouTube Live, please ask. All right. Wait, I want to make myself in the camera a little bigger. All right. Well, my friend from Japan says hi, so hi. Thank you for coming. All right, so today I'll show you how widget works. And first of all, what is widgets, right? Widgets are usually based on theme. In the last video we talked about, I talked about theme and how theme changes different, many things changes based on the theme. And one of them is the widgets, or more like we call it widget area. Many themes have this sidebar widget area. So you see in the right side is a search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, and categories, right? So this is the widget area. And some theme doesn't actually have this area. It's kind of strange, but I'll show you what I mean. So instead of plugins, and look, there's a WordPress updates here. So if you go to appearance and widgets, then this widget view shows up. All right. So this is a bit confusing, but if you close this, you see main sidebar, header, footer bar, section 1 and section 2, and inactive widgets. Okay. So you see this, right? And right now I'm using the theme Astra. But what if I change to 2021? Now the style is different and the widget has like just a footer and the inactive widgets. So 2021 has only one widget area, which is a footer. Okay, so depending on the theme you're using, it's different. Okay, and also I know in the very first video I showed you that if you choose this new theme 2022, right, it's all gone. So like now we are in these three different, how to say it, it's two different types of widgets. I didn't show you the older one, but two types of widgets, then this new way that doesn't even have a widget. yeah, it's not the, it's confusing for sure. Yeah, anyway, so even though the new theme or new type of theme, which is only like you can even count how many themes are supporting those, so that I don't worry about it. I wouldn't worry about it right now. Okay, so you go to widgets and sidebar, right? Sidebar is the clear one, right? Sidebar here, and if you bring your cursor here, you can edit these things. And it says block. I know my Japanese makes me say block instead of block. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Anyway, so here it's a block, right? This is also a block. This is from the editor, Gutenberg editor. It's a block editor. That's what people call it. And basically, the widget was replaced by those regular block. Not regular, but everything is block now. And if you want to add something new, you can, press this plus button and browse all. And there are many different things you can add it here. Okay, so you can even add something like headings here and say, oops, that's Japanese, hello, and you can bring it to up, the very top, then update. So see, hello shows up here. And what's the difference between this and actually creating a page with hello, right? This is basically shared with all other pages, as long as you tell it to share. Sometimes some theme or some plugins let you create multiple sidebars, and you can replace it with whatever you want to. So, and the widget, usually you see these things. Also, I've seen people putting a calendar here. I don't know if it's there actually. Oh yeah, calendar is here. So you can add a calendar like this. Calendar. It's L again. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So these are widgets. Just like your smartphone. I think iPhone now has widgets. Has widgets too, right? Android always had it, but yeah. So then so this is I guess a new way of doing it. But then if you install some plugins, it comes with widgets, but somehow it doesn't work well with this. Okay, I'll show you some example. So usually you can add more widget with plugins. So let's say you click add new here, and I think the Astra comes with its own widget, Astra widgets. With what a weird spell, like Widgets. So Astra widgets. Let's try this one. Activate. All right, so appearance in the widgets. So now you want to add something, right? Then if you see, look here, Astra, then there's a Astra address, Astra list icon. Let's click Astra list icon here. Title, let's say Astra list icons. Add item. I don't even know what this does, but let's just fill with this, google.com. Same page, new page, icon, and choose icon. So I can choose icon. See, maybe I chose Google, so maybe I can add Google. See? So I chose it. Then update. See, here, Astra icon. It says test too, but yeah, and if you click this button, it shows Google. So yeah, you can actually use these widgets here as well, but it's kind of, I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of Gutenberg just yet. I know it's getting better, but I just saw something is cranky, or like something is not working right. That's what I always feel when I'm on Gutenberg. Maybe I have to get used to it, right? Anyway, so this is how you use it. And see, there's a header, right? It says header. So let's add something to header. Hello world, typical. And let's refresh it. Yeah, I don't see it here, hello world. Sometimes this happens. Like there's a widget that you can add, but somehow, or maybe the settings of Astra to display header, it doesn't show up. Or maybe the footer one's gonna show up. Right, then let's say hello footer. And let's try it. Nope, it doesn't show up. So I don't know if the settings or something, but yeah, this theme by default doesn't seem to show that there. Yeah. All right, then I'll show you something different. If you go to plugins, so WordPress always creates something like this, right? Classic editor, classic widgets. So what this means is when WordPress move forward and create a new way of doing things, there are always people, including me sometimes, that like, why are you doing it? It was better, way better before. And classic widget is one of them. Like basically these two things, classic editor basically replaces block editor and becomes like old way of editing things. And this is also, yeah, classic widget if you install it. And as you see, still many people use this one. And if you install it, widget suddenly changes. Look, now it's like this. This is way easier to see. You know, main sidebar, and now I have this icons, and you see it's well styled, organized, it's easier to see, and everything. And you can see what's available here. Yeah, and yeah, these ones. Like you can add the image to main sidebar, add a widget. See, now it says a widget. Well, I guess I don't have any image, so maybe not. But yeah, you can add this way. I actually like it this way more. This is the widget, classic widget. Yeah, it was, until recently it was like this. And after some update, yeah, I changed to that way that you just saw. Yeah, it's not, yeah, I don't know. Of course, at the end of the day, you can just use whatever you feel comfortable with. And also, eventually everything will go this way. So it's maybe better to get used to this way too, as you know. Yeah. But yeah, so this is the widgets. So the important thing is like how we added to header, but nothing showed up. And most likely it's the theme settings. Even there's a header builder, and somehow it doesn't have a widget area. Like some themes let you even create a new widget area, which is kind of cool. But yeah, I'm not sure where this widget shows up. Oh yeah, I see it here, widget 1 and 2. Maybe here. Other widget? I don't know. These are Astra specific thing. So if you refresh it, No, you just press other widgets. Yeah, I'm not sure how this works. But yeah, normal theme or many themes don't even have a way to edit the header. Astra is one with few, so it's really good. Yeah, this is only main sidebar. You can even edit from here, the main sidebar. And there are always kind of common widgets. Common widgets are usually here, already loaded. Search and recent posts, recent comments, archives. Yeah, calendar was also always, yeah. And categories. And as you saw, if you install some plugins, it adds more widgets to it, and you can use it. Yeah, I think this is pretty much all about widget, I think. Oh, I guess 2 people are watching. Alright then, I guess if you don't have any questions, I think I'll call it for today. So yeah, I wanna keep making things, you know, short and sweet for now, so I don't burn out. Yeah. Alright then, if you don't have any questions, I mean only 2 of you, but thank you for coming. Alright. So next time, which is 2 days from now, I'm not sure what exactly I should be doing next one. So eventually, I wanna show you how to upload this site that you are working on in local to the actual website. I mean actual server, so you can share that with the world, you know. So I want to do that. But also I want to show a little bit, maybe a little bit more of how to make pages. Yeah. Or menus. I should cover menus too. Yeah. So also Elementor, right? Yeah, anyway, I'll decide what I'm gonna talk about in the next video. And yeah, thank you for coming. So I'm gonna I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna go to a gym now. So all right, okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.